Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Central, going to film some trains here. That was T34 and T9 or 6 I believe, that just left platform number 24. I'll be going to the upstairs platforms, so yeah. Now up on the above platforms on 18 and 19, City Circle service, B24 on platform 17. Four services that departing platform 21. That's a museum service, a City Circle. I'm pretty sure that's the City Circle. Yeah, City Circle A11. MacArthur service just left, and there's a light rail in the background. B set departing. City Circle service. Well, I'm pretty sure that was B24. And there's a Leppington service arriving. B24. Here's B32 on platform 19.
The train on platform 19 goes to Leppington via
Probably one of the biggest stations I've ever been to.
Redfern, then Newtown.
I'm not sure what this service is.
Smoking, including e-cigarettes, is not
B25, I mean A25, sorry, on platform number 16.
All luggage, please use the lift.
Slow departure. What is that? There's a train. Let me see what that goes to. Did that say Sydenham, or am I just... That's a Sydenham service. A Gordon, A25. Leppington service leaving platform number 19. B32.
The next train to arrive on platform 18 goes
Leppington via
to
Strathfield.
via Parramatta.
There's the Sydenham service there on platform number 22.
Parramatta via
City Circle service and the Sydenham service.
St James, Circular Quay, and Town Hall.
Sydenham service is now departing. Gordon service, Tangara and B36, City Circle. A60, terminating service. The train will terminate and then go to Emu Plains.
The train on platform 18 goes to Emu Plains via
City Circle and Gordon service departing now.
Redfern, then Strathfield, Lidcombe, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith, and then
Attention please, customer Orlando Jones. Please make your way to the station office or City
Forgot what this service is.
Station office or
City Circle, I think? No, this train was the Sydenham service, so probably City Circle. Oh, no, the Sydenham service left, I think. So the City Circle. Doesn't say. I reckon City Circle or not in service. I reckon that's just an out of service. City Circle service. Revesby service there. And there's the Gordon service, most likely, down there, T-set. City Circle service. B17, I'm pretty sure. City Circle service. And Emu Plains service departing behind me. City Circle, oh that's a new train there, I didn't see that arrive. Anyways, here goes this City Circle service. Ooh, M12.
train to arrive on stations to Hornsby.
M19, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure this is a Hornsby service.
Smoking, including e-cigarettes,
That's the City Circle service there.
fine of
Homebush service departing platform 19. And there's a train on platform 16. Don't see any indicators, so I'm pretty sure. Hornsby service as well on platform 18.
Hornsby via Strathfield. First stop Redfern, then Burwood, Strathfield, then all stations to Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby. The next train to arrive on platform 19 goes to Liverpool.
Barara service. Birong, Barara. Honestly, that's the same thing. Birong. I'm reading that correctly or wrongly, I don't know. Platform 26. Or 24, 24, 25, 26, I don't know. Hornsby service departing. Hornsby train departing and most likely Gordon service departing. Just gotta check now. Is it a Gordon service? It is a Lidcombe service. It's a Linderfield service, I mean. Track inspection vehicle, MTP V1. And a B-set. M21 running a City Circle service. M21 and someone else, yes. Richmond service.
The train on platform 18 goes
Oh, that's another train as well, flying into platform number 19.
Redfern, then Strathfield, Parramatta, then all stations to Blacktown, and then all stations to Richmond.
Let me see. I think that's a. I don't want to. It's a yellow line.
Train on platform
Leppington?
19 goes to Leppington.
Let's go.
Via
Richmond service. Train stop at Redfern, Strathfield, Parramatta, Westmead, and then all stations to Richmond. Can't be bothered naming all the stations. There's like 20.
Parramatta,
Leppington service departing platform 19.
Blacktown, and then all stations to Penrith.
A11. And there is another train on platform number 22.
The train on platform 19
Just
goes
departed.
to Leppington via Granville.
City Circle service.
Leppington, Lidcombe,
A3, I think.
Paris Park, and
That's what I'm seeing on the
Parramatta.
carriage 03, so I reckon that's A3 there. Don't know, not 100% sure. City Circle service. There is a Penrith service behind me, so it should block out the view. It's going at like 15 k's an hour, so it shouldn't be that long until it comes. B15. B35 just behind me now for a Penrith service.
The train on platform
Train departing
18
platform
goes
21.
to Penrith.
Don't know where
via
that's going to.
Parramatta. First stop Redfern.
Barara train on platform 16 has been delayed by about 8 minutes.
Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, and then all stations to Penrith.
Let me see, what train is B3? Where's it going to? B3 is a City Circle service. A3, oh my god, I keep mixing them up. Penrith service. B35.
If you're traveling with a tram, bicycle, or
Which service is that? Parramatta? Parramatta service?
The next train to arrive on platform 18 goes to Hornsby via Strathfield. First stop, Redfern, then
Hornsby service just left, no?
Strathfield,
I thought it-
then all
Okay.
stations to
Well, unless it's another
and
Hornsby
then
service.
all stations to Hornsby.
B30 departing platform number 19 for a Parramatta service. Circle service A18.
And museum.
Lots of trains here. Oh, I need a silver train. I need a K-set, please. Right, I'm on platform 18 Hornsby service. Let's see. A73. MacArthur service as well. Just in the background. The City Circle service is departing.
Goes to Hornsby via Strathfield. First stop, Redfern, then Burwood, Strathfield, then all stations to Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby.
Liverpool service. B17.
The train on platform
A18 just departed for City Circle.
Liverpool via Regent's Park. First stop, Redfern, then Newtown, Stanmore.
Please give me a silver train, please. Hornsby service. A73. City Circle service, A62 with a massive 62 on it.
Goes to Emu Plains
Don't see that every day.
via Parramatta.
Probably one of the old
First
ones.
Stop, Redfern, then Strathfield, Lidcombe, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, then
Liverpool
Emu
service.
Plains.
Video ends, or close to end, when I see A, K, C, S, or any silver set.
Smoking includes
City Circle service.
Train to arrive on platform
Two City Circle services actually. One behind me is a B set. A62 with a massive 62.
Newtown, Ashfield, Burwood, Strathfield, Homebush, Flemington, Lidcombe, Auburn, Clyde, Bramble, then all stations to Liverpool, then
Oh, that's the finally like 10 minutes delayed of Gordon service. Ah, yeah, well, it's like 10 minutes late. They're very packed. Oh, I forgot service. We'll have to find out. A22. Barara. Via Gordon. Leppington service. I could not change camera I could not change my camera quality in like 10 seconds, so I'm just gonna stop filming with this.
the train on platform 19 goes to Paddington via Bramble. First stop, Redfern, then Newtown, Ashfield,
Leppington service. Ah, it's a NADOC livery, that is. MSET as well. It's via Strathfield, so it's probably one of them. It's a central service, so most likely going somewhere that is not central. City Circle service is the central sign, iconic.
Penrith, and then Emu Plains.
A66. Can you even see that? It's very dark, so I don't think you can see it. Don't know what service this is on platform number 19.
The train on platform 18 goes to Emu Plains via Parramatta. First stop Redfern, then Strathfield, Lidcombe, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith and then Emu Plains.
Homebush service arriving. A3. A55 now departing.
Platform 19 goes to Homebush via Strathfield. First stop.
There is no first stop.
The train on platform 19 goes to Homebush via Strathfield. First stop Redfern, then all stations to Burwood, then Strathfield and Homebush.
Homebush service departing platform 19. The train will stop at Redfern, McDonaldtown, Newtown, Stanmore, Petersham, Lewisham, Summerhill, Ashfield, Croydon, Burwood, Strathfield, Homebush. Yeah. And whatever this train is, she's the City Circle service.
The next train to arrive on platform 19 goes to...
Next train on platform 20 does not stop. A33 and B16. Hornsby service. I need to see
18 goes to
Silver
Hornsby
train.
via Strathfield. First
Otherwise I'll be
stop
sad.
Redfern, then
Because I've not seen one
Strathfield,
in
all
like 2
stations
years.
to
3, 4, I don't know.
and then all stations to Hornsby.
Birrong service and City Circle service. A33 for a Hornsby service. Anxiously waiting for the passing train to come through. If the silver set does not come until the passing train comes, then I'm just going to go to the intercity platforms and film anything that departs in less than 10 minutes. B18.
The next train to arrive on platform 18 goes to Richmond via Parramatta. First stop Redfern, then Strathfield, Parramatta, then all stations to
City Circle service. Waiting for that platform 20 train to come through so I can finally stop filming. B6. Here comes a non-service A set. Don't know where this is going. Richmond. A28. Driver change. This is a driver change. I don't know if they're going to start service here. The Leppington service about to block my amazing view. B23. Nadok livery. I'm pretty sure every B set has this. I'm not sure, really. No, I'll still be able to see. No, I won't be able to see. Hoping this train stays here for like, hopefully the non-service train stays for an extra 2 minutes. Richmond service. A1.
Smoking, including e-cigarettes.
City Circle service. Okay, so just saw station guard get on the train. Most likely that Leppington service is going to stay. As the non-service train departs, mission unsuccessful. We did not see a silver train. I see a V set there. Leppington service departing.
The train on platform 19 goes to Leppington via Granville. First stop Redfern, then Newtown, Ashfield, Burnley,
B, I can't see from this angle.
Homebush,
Okay guys, I will either see you on the intercity platforms, Town Hall, or in the video, which I won't. City Circle service in 21 minutes, that's a bit long. Currently on platform 9 now, filming the Lithgow service departing in 4 minutes. I'm not sure, it's V23? V23 I reckon, there's 4 car set, obviously, as you can see. V38 and V24 for a Newcastle interchange service. Oh, that sound, you have to love it. Very trashy track on platform 7. Next 2 trains terminate. Oh, behind the V set we also have a NIF D set down there. It's my first time seeing that. Looks pretty good. V23 departing platform 9 for a Lithgow service. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Oh, V42. So it's not the same logic as the other trains. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye, everybody.